Kickers Round 2, Season 3. Brand new venue, if you guys don't know, here at the Freedom Factory. New wrap this season, or this round. That's a big update, as well as our another big update is silver suspension coilovers. Today is day 2, Saturday. We're gonna be going to a driver's meeting here shortly, then hitting the track again. Take it back to round 1. We didn't have qualifying. There's a lot of rain going on in round 1, so they pushed qualifying and seeded us in a random order. And we ended up making it to top 16, and I feel like I really had the car to beat. I mean, after the top 64 intros, I came back to the pits and told the crew, I'm like, you know, we're winning today. It's I just felt super comfortable. Great, a new track. You know, we adapted very quickly, and the car was just feeling the best it's literally ever felt. So just put all that in the mix, and you have a winning combination. And that's how we felt until top 16. We came off the bank. Running tire pressure we'd been running all weekend, and I think it was just the perfect storm, or the worst perfect storm, I guess you'd call it. So we DB'd the tire, long story short, and just took ourselves out of competition. But that's not going to be that's in the past. We dumped that, forgot about it, and we're here to win again. You know, so we got a little bit of work ahead of us today. We're made some new changes that we feel will implement the car to this particular layout the best, and we're gonna go see how those work out here shortly. It set me on a little different line, so whenever I went back to flick just more angle, I just over-rotated. It's a little bit, you know, it's really hot out there, so track temps are hotter. It's a little greasier out there, so it didn't catch. I was wanting, you know, the judges want to see a lot of angle, so going past that front clip, inner clips on both of them. So I've been doing that pretty much all weekend, throwing a lot of angle right there, and just you know, just didn't catch it in time this time. I guess a little greasier, so we had a little bit freer car, freer setup in the car for qualifying, and it's nature of the beast sometimes. Well, I don't know, it's when I flicked it this time, it just didn't catch. All right, first of all, I want to go out there and go way gangster on it, like second run. So obviously the first one I zeroed, just because I wanted to qualify really high. I hadn't qualified, I think my highest qualifying in clutch gears collectively, I think, is like 7. So I was wanting to be on that top spot. So that being said, I was just, you know, super aggressive, and I wanted to ride the edge of that line. It kind of bit me in the butt. I dipped the tire off, which set me up for failure for the next one, for the next transition in the front clip. The track was just super greasy hot, and I think I picked up some dirt on that dirt drop, and anyway, long story short, I corrected that issue for run 2. I told myself to just take it easy, run like a middle of the line, like some horrible run that looks stupid to watch, and just get some points and then go battle your way through it. And I was constantly fighting myself inside the seat the whole time. I was like, go gangster, run the edge. I'm like, don't do it. You know, good cop, bad cop, or what was that? Good devil, or angel and the devil? Yeah, that's it. The angel and the devil. I had to keep swatting away the devil, man, just so I get some points. But anyway, it ended up being a pretty clean little run. It was you know, as expected. 69, nice. And so I think I'm 44th. I don't know, but just doing some quick math, should be about 44. Anyway, so we're here to battle.
Good luck, brother.
Thanks, dog. yesterday. We went against Zandara. I really hope I pronounced that right. Z Driver is her Instagram, but she has a 350Z or 370. I think it's 350. LS powered, 400 horsepower. Going into it, you know, I knew she was I knew she was. I was told by my spotter she was a little bit slower driver as far as speed relevant to mine. And so I went in there, I was like, all right, give her a little bit of room. I know my car's quick, I don't want to drive over her. But she launched off the light from me. She qualified higher than I did. And she launched off the light and really took off. So I was kind of constantly checking up through the battle, but I didn't need to. Halfway through, I realized, I'm like, her car's fast, she's driving it. So I had to hammer down and play catch up a little bit near the, and then at the second half of the battle, I stayed close with her, and so my kind of mindset on what I need to do in the lead run changed up. So I sped up and tried to put it on the best lap I could. The track really changed from qualifying to top 64 battles. It was super hot, and the track was slick and greasy qualifying, and into the evening for top 64 battles, it was super gripped up. So I had to adapt to that a little bit as I was going for the changing conditions. But anyway, we ended up getting the win. It was she put on a heck of a battle, so I had to work for it for sure. But it was fun driving with her. First time I ever drove with her, and just looking forward to today. You know, we're going on top 32. Our first guy we're going against is Cole Wyndham. Anyway, going into today, we got an hour of practice. I'm just going out there, cut some laps, and then really get it more dialed in and get myself feeling more comfortable on the edge of that track. And because I know once we go through the ranks of these drivers, there's some heavy hitters out here, some fast guys like we are, and you know, you got to bring your A game. It's Clutch Kickers, round 2, season 3. It's killer out here. hyped up. Like, it was great. He stayed in it, had a great lead run, and I was just able to trust everything he does. You know, so I drove with him before in FD, and right, Adam killed that lead run. I don't know how he did behind me, but if it was anything like my lead run, it was definitely exciting for the crowd out here. It was exciting for me in the car.